Good morning, boys and girls. I heard you had so much fun drawing your leprechaun that I thought today we would learn how to draw a dog. So all you need is a piece of paper and a pencil. So with your pencil, we're going to come down from the top to about right here. Then I want you to draw a pretty good size oval. And when you draw your oval, don't let it go too far down on the page. Give it a pretty good curve there. Try to curve it as well as you can and make sure that it connects right there at the top. Then in the middle of your oval, we're going to start about right here, as you can see about right there, and we're going to make sort of an upside down U. We're going to curve it up almost to the very top of that oval, curve it around, pull it down, and stop right there. Okay, next, go to where you started your U, and we're going to make a curve that goes below the line of the oval. So it's going to curve down like that, go back and connect it to the other side of that upside down U. Okay, as you can see, we're starting to make the face of our dog. On this side of your upside down U, I want you to draw me a circle to make one of his eyes. Then do a circle about the same size on the other side. Now, you decide what kind of eyes you're going to give him. I'm going to draw the pupil, or the black part of his eye, about right here on mine. But your puppy could be looking this way, it could be looking that way, but mine is going to look straight ahead. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to fill in a nice solid dark gray or black dot for his pupil. Okay, then on my curve, you're going to actually use your eraser next. See where our line went right across here? Let's take that away. So hopefully you didn't draw it too dark, but we need to take this part away. Once you erase it, make sure that you brush off all of those eraser shavings. Okay, then do a little circle about right here, right above where you erased that line. And then from your circle, I want you to draw me a line that curves to the left. Then go back from your circle again and draw me a line that curves to the right. Okay, so far we have a pretty good puppy dog face. Now let's give him some ears. So right above this eye, I want you to kind of curve it out a little bit like that. And then do the other side like this. Okay, then on this side, let's curve it out just like we did the other side, like this, and then go back, curve it, and close it, just like that. Now let's do the inside of his ear. So follow the same shape that you did the outside of his ear, but just make it a little bit smaller. So we're gonna curve it in like this, and then curve it back down over here. And then we'll curve it in again, and then curve it right back down over here to do the inside of his ear. Okay, so your dog face should be about complete. Now we need to give it a body. So start about right here on your puppy dog, and this time we're gonna curve out just a little bit, and we'll go to about right there. Okay, then let's do the same thing on the other side. So curve it out just a little bit, and we'll go to about right here. Now go back to your first curve, go in and curve out, almost to the bottom of your page, and then curve it in and stop right about where I stopped mine. Can you see that we're making one of his front legs? I bet you can, because you guys are really smart. So let's give him a leg on the other side. So we're going to curve in again. Try to make it match about the same shape and size as the one that you first did. I know that can be kind of hard sometimes. Sometimes I have a hard time with that too. But curve it and make it stop about where the other one did. Okay, so we've given him two front legs. Okay, now start about right here. We're going to follow our shape and curve it out a little bit. And then let's do the same thing on the other side. Curve it out like that and then stop. Okay, now we've got to curve it around like this. And we're going to make it stop about right there to give him his back leg. So again, we're curving in and out, and that will be his back leg. Then right across here, we're going to kind of give him a little bitty curve line, and that will make where his tummy sits right on the ground. Now, did you figure out what our puppy dog is missing? I bet you did. Where do you think we're going to give him a tail? Well, we're going to start right here, and you can give him a nice curve on his tail. Go all the way up to almost as high as his ear. Curve it around, and we'll pull it down to about right there. Okay, you might want to go back and add a few dots just to give him some more detail, like that, and then add a couple of whiskers, because you know our puppy dogs love their whiskers. And then even do a little curve right here to kind of give him where his tongue sticks out. You can color it in with your crayons, but I'm just going to color that in with my pencil. If you want to add spots to your dog, you can do that. Because you know my taco dog has spots. You don't have to though. You can color your dog and make him where he doesn't have spots. He can be just one color. You can add spots up on his face even. So you decide how you want your dog to look and color him nicely. And then down at the bottom, I would even add maybe a couple of squiggly lines like this, because you know, puppy dogs like to be outside, and I bet he could be sitting in the grass. So I hope you had a good time drawing your puppy dog, and I love you, and you guys have a wonderful day.